Okay, we're going to get into Solana here and see what's happening with Solana. Do think that this is a big gap up, gap down support there of 120 and 155. So now the price is above 155 and needs to break above $161 as a major resistance there. If it breaks above $161, it'll come to the upside there of 175 and then 183. Then you got 195, and then it has to break above 209 to see higher highs and potentially going to an all-time high of $260. That's where I see Solana heading to the upside. To the downside for Solana, okay, before we talk about moving averages, okay, I see 120, 110, 94, 78, $58, and then at that major support level of $25. Now that would be the bear cycle for Solana. See here, it none other bounced off this threshold right there, the green line, and hasn't came below that ever since, and then bounced off of the blue major support once the price is squeezed through. So that's what happened with Solana, and ever since it's been on a pretty much a tear of breaking from that parabolic breakout right to $209. Okay, right above there. So it's been going sideways ever since. Now it's probably following the cycle trend line for the bull cycle here. And originally, okay, it just smashed above this. Okay, went to its all-time high right around the 280 some dollars, and then came back down to retest that green line there of under $10. So if I take the same sort of trend line on the bull cycle, we have prices of 200 and well, you know, right, I would say to start, because of course we're looking at cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is flooded with FOMO and psychological nature. So $300, I would see it almost definitely touching $300. And then right up to, so if we take the, I guess if we take this line and this breakout to this to up here, what do we get? We would get something like from $94 to 209. So if we took 160, $94 to 209, that was almost 2.5x. So if we take 160, 2.5x that's $300, $400. That's where I can see Solana heading. In the short term, definitely needs to break above that $161 and then ultimately breaking above this major resistance right there of 209. 209 would definitely bring it probably right up to that all-time high of 260. Okay, so that's if Solana stays bullish. Okay, so we're on the 1 week chart, and just like Bitcoin bouncing off that 50 moving average, so Solana's right ahead, right side by side with Bitcoin almost on the charts. Okay, just like Bitcoin, it's now above the 200 moving average. Well, it was below it before, but now it's teetering above it. So W formation here and looking to break higher. Downside prices for Solana, 120, 110, 94, 78, 58. I think I went through these already, but Solana is very, very volatile. You can see here, it's an up and down game, just like pretty much any cryptocurrency. But when it touches its all-time highs here, so it's touched an all-time high after all-time high in the bull run, but really had a hard time there. It didn't even double tap at $260. And then from there, broke down and kept breaking down very, very bearishly. So great buying opportunity down here if you never sold, and then all you would do is just bulk back up, double or triple your bags down here, and then you can receive a new all-time high. don't think Solana is one of the ones that'll hold support through a bear run. So you just got to keep that in mind because it didn't do it there. What makes you think it'll do it in this cycle here? I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. So to all the Solana holders, just wait and see. Looks really healthy. Okay, it just needs to break 161 to get up there to 209. It might even gap up there once it breaks this, because it'll be so much pressure to the upside.